how to see your favorites on Roblox. In order to see your favorites in Roblox, all you have to do is make sure to go ahead and then launch the Roblox application on your mobile phone, or you can visit roblox.com from your web browser. Once you are logged into either the app or the website, you have to go and locate your profile page. Normally, you can tap on this more icon from the bottom right of the screen, then tap on the profile section. Now from profile section, scroll down and tap on view full profile over here. And when you see the view full profile option, under it, if you scroll to the very bottom, if you've added anything to your favorites, which is like maybe your creations or maybe some of the avatars or some of the collections, you'll find that all of those favorite sections over here. Or you can also find it in the continue playing list as well. So sometimes you might not find it. So in that case, you can come to your home tab and go to this continue playing list to find all of your favorites on Roblox. This way you can see favorites in Roblox. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.